Hello. Today we're gonna be making super fruity toast with eggs. Well, eggs. Eggs and super fruity toast. So you see the eggs right here. We have there. See the materials. Well, these are not actually materials. And I have the peanut butter. I'm gonna get up and did you forget to jam? Did you just forget?
Well, I cut the fruit up for you this time.
Okay.
If you want to put jam, you can. We used jam the last time because we were out of fruit.
You could say that again. Yeah, it's gonna take a little slow.
Now you know you have to rub that peanut butter on there.
Oh, you work. And then now this whole thing just got messed up by the mama that's holding the camera.
What did I do? Nothing.
You told me to scrub it right there and then it just got stuck.
It doesn't look like that's a problem for you.
Man. This goes really slow, guys. It's gonna take a minute. And 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 a minute. Really, sometimes it really does not take a minute.
I think part of what's slowing you down is the leaking of the fingers, but that's okay. So what are you doing now, if you can tell me?
I'm about to put the bananas on here, which is my fingers are messing the bananas up.
It's all still edible, right?
I'm putting actually 4 on mine.
Okay,
You don't like 4s on you don't like 4 on yours.
I do put 4 on each row. If 4 will fit on each row. I like a lot of bananas.
Oh man, you gonna be
I'm gonna
hyped
lay the
up.
honey down again because
Mama.
Huh?
Mama.
I laid the honey down because we didn't have that much in there, so that's why I laid it back down.
Okay, you can see this. That. How many is that?
How many did you put? Those look delicious. You put an extra one on that last row, didn't you?
I mean it.
What are you gonna do with those extra bananas? I figured that.
Now, the honey is gonna be used.
I thought you liked to put the honey on last. It's up to you.
Honey is gonna be used
Push that
for
cap
the
up.
blue.
It's a little bit
berry.
different from the other squeeze bottle you normally have.
It's gonna take a minute.
We have to get some more honey. I just bought that honey, but I guess that's how much we eat it around here, so. I should have got the huge container, but they didn't have the brand we like. They were out of it.
Yeah, it's gonna take a minute.
That looks good. I'm gonna look this real close. Hold it up a little bit so they can see it coming out of here. There you go. That looks good.
Gosh, Lee, man.
I'm gonna wipe that off for you. Peanut butter on that every time. Look at that handwork. Look at that craftsmanship. You better use that craftsmanship, Lee 3.
This one I'm gonna eat because it's been in the counter.
Oh, you just gonna go ahead and eat that one for us? Help us out a little bit.
Yep. So Nobody can't be confused about the thing I just spilled.
They can't be confused about it because you ate it.
Okay.
So can you share with them what fruit you're putting on this morning?
Blueberries.
Blueberries. We love blueberries, don't we?
And I love eating them.
I was about to say, you're eating half of them. Do you want to put any more on your toast? Or are you just going to eat the rest? We love fresh blueberries. We always have a container of those, don't we?
Yeah. I'm putting some more in the middle.
Okay.
I'm putting like 2, I think.
Those look great.
Ta-da! The super fruity toast. Thank you for watching. Well, this video is not gone yet, guys. Since we went to the store, we found these plates, I think, for sale.
You don't need another plate. You could just put the eggs with your toast.
Oh. But I'm just saying, we found all these coloring utensils that were for sale.
Yeah, we got them on sale. Yeah,
and we actually buy these from the grocery store or Walmart. Walmart.
Yeah, we were getting groceries when we found them. It's been a while now, but yeah.
But then since we found this container, really, it's really good, and we found these like as what I just told you, for sale, and
At Walmart.
You hear that? You hear that wild stuff? And they going a little wild. So let's try these eggs.
You did a great job with those.
Yeah, I choose to make them all day. Sometimes my mama make them all day.
Yeah, sometimes I'll make the scrambled eggs for you, but you've been doing such a good job lately. I'm about to turn that over to you full time. I don't have
Get
to
up.
make them at all anymore. You did a great job.
Okay, so this is.
You got some on the counter.
It is, so nobody gets confused.
So they don't get confused. It is edible if it falls on the counter. All right, so why don't you give them a sample of the toast since you just ate the rest of the blueberry? I think they're waiting to see you taste it.
So, guys, get ready for me to taste it because y'all gonna be proud, happy.
Oh, it looks so good.
It's good.
How is it?
Good.
So can you share with them one more time what you made for them this morning and where can they find that recipe?
Mommy Me Cookbook.
Mommy Me Cookbook.
And don't forget this name, Super Fruity Toast.
Super Fruity Toast. You did a great
Super
job.
Fruity Toast. But you must have toast.